to come by tonight. How about that?
Another offensive rebound.
Oh, there's big time.
That pass. Offensive rebound.
Oh, there's.
Become adequate from deep. What a pass. And look at that finish by AC. By Cousins. Finding the open AC. And he walks in and plays it home. Enough for that.
Knocked away by Bellinelli. Great get to Quincy.
And as I say that, he loses a jump ball. Way to go, Dick.
Here's AC. Oh my goodness! He attacked the rim.
On this pick, and then Quincy AC constantly moving it around Kosenko, and that's just a violent finish here in Vegas.
By Carl Tucker, had it, lost it. Carl gets it back, and Quincy AC punches it home. Right over the top of Cohen. AC. And the Raptors are within 3 here with under 10 seconds to go. Quincy AC's put a little charge into this place.
Always sweeping hook comes to Smith, who fires. The tip by AC, and he puts it down.
With the Knicks, this is the thing that you have to do.
Called the Cookie Monster because all he does is dunk and clean the glass. And there we saw the dunk. Great entry pass right there by Carmelo Anthony. Good angle.
Your ticket to a better night's sleep. Nice pass. Quincy mails it home with the...
And that was major jammage at the rim, and Dr. Quincy operated on that twine with a major smush. A little AC doozy, big time, and boy, Isaiah.